Step into a city where 800 years of history meet a vibrant modern pulse. Riga, the Paris of the North, is a treasure trove of soaring Gothic spires, world-class Art Nouveau, and bustling markets hidden inside giant Zeppelin hangars. From the emotional heights of the Freedom Monument to the winding medieval lanes of the Old Town, Latvia's capital is full of surprises. Today, we're counting down the 8 best things to do in Riga, Latvia, so you can make the most of your journey through this Baltic gem. Let's dive in. Number 8. St. Peter's Church. St. Peter's Church is one of Riga's most iconic landmarks, rising proudly above the Old Town with its tall and elegant spire. Dating back to the 13th century, the church is a masterpiece of Gothic architecture, later enhanced with Baroque elements after several reconstructions. Its towering spire has long served as a symbol of the city and a guide for travelers approaching Riga. Inside, the church features a spacious and light-filled interior, often used today for concerts and art exhibitions rather than regular worship. One of the main highlights is the elevator ride to the viewing platform near the top of the spire. From there, visitors are rewarded with breathtaking panoramic views of Riga's red rooftops, the Daugava River, and the surrounding cityscape. St. Peter's Church reflects Riga's resilience, having been rebuilt multiple times after fires and war damage. A visit offers both historical insight and some of the best views in Latvia's capital. Number 7. House of the Blackheads. The House of the Blackheads is one of Riga's most striking and historically important landmarks, located in the heart of the Old Town. Originally built in the 14th century, the building served as a meeting place for the Brotherhood of the Blackheads, a guild of unmarried foreign merchants and ship owners who played a major role in Riga's trading history. The facade is richly decorated with colorful ornaments, statues, and astronomical symbols, creating an eye-catching contrast against the surrounding medieval buildings. Although the original structure was destroyed during World War II, it was meticulously reconstructed in the late 20th century, restoring its former grandeur. Inside, visitors can explore elegant halls, chandeliers, and exhibitions showcasing the guild's history and Riga's commercial past. The building often hosts concerts and cultural events, keeping it lively and relevant today. The House of the Blackheads stands as a powerful symbol of Riga's prosperity, craftsmanship, and connection to the Hanseatic trading era. Number 6. Riga Central Market. Riga Central Market is one of Europe's largest and most vibrant marketplaces, located near the Daugava River in central Riga. What makes it truly unique is its setting inside 5 enormous former Zeppelin hangars, giving the market both historical character and impressive scale. Each pavilion specializes in different goods, from fresh fruits and vegetables to meat, fish, dairy products, bread, and spices. The stalls are filled with local Latvian products, traditional foods, and seasonal ingredients, offering an authentic taste of everyday life in the city. The mix of colors, aromas, and lively conversations creates an energetic atmosphere throughout the day. Outside the pavilions, additional vendors sell flowers, clothing, and household items, adding to the market's buzz. Riga Central Market is not just a place to shop, it's a cultural experience where visitors can connect with local traditions, flavors, and community life in the heart of Latvia's capital. Number 5. Art Nouveau District. Riga's Art Nouveau District is one of the finest collections of Art Nouveau architecture in the world, making it a highlight of the city. Concentrated around Alberta Iela and Elizabetes Iela, the area features stunning buildings from the early 20th century, celebrated for their elaborate facades and artistic detail. Walking through the district reveals dramatic sculptures, elegant balconies, floral motifs, mythological figures, and expressive faces carved into pastel-colored buildings. Many structures were designed by renowned architect Michael Eisenstein, whose bold and decorative style defines much of the neighborhood's character. The district is not only visually impressive, but also culturally rich, reflecting a period when Riga was a thriving and modern European city. Museums, cafes, and guided walking tours help visitors better understand the symbolism and history behind the designs. Riga's Art Nouveau District offers an open-air architectural gallery and a deeper appreciation of the city's creative heritage. Number 4. Museum of the Occupation of Latvia. The Museum of the Occupation of Latvia is one of Riga's most important historical institutions, dedicated to preserving and explaining Latvia's experience under Soviet and Nazi occupations during the 20th century. Located near the Old Town, the museum offers a powerful and educational insight into a difficult chapter of the nation's past. Inside, exhibitions present personal stories, photographs, documents, and artifacts that illustrate life during occupation, deportations, resistance, and the loss of independence. Multimedia displays and survivor testimonies help visitors understand the human impact of these regimes and the resilience of the Latvian people. The museum is thoughtfully curated, making complex historical events accessible to both locals and international visitors. A visit encourages reflection on freedom, identity, and human rights. The Museum of the Occupation of Latvia plays a vital role in remembering history and honoring those who suffered, ensuring that these experiences are not forgotten by future generations. Number 3. Riga Motor Museum. Riga Motor Museum is one of the largest and most impressive automobile museums in the Baltic region, offering a fascinating journey through the history of motor vehicles. Located just outside Riga's city center, the museum showcases an extensive collection of vintage cars, motorcycles, and rare vehicles from the late 19th century to modern times. The exhibits include beautifully restored classic cars, Soviet-era vehicles, racing automobiles, and unique models with historical significance. Interactive displays, multimedia presentations, and detailed explanations make the experience engaging and informative for visitors of all ages. One of the highlights is the collection of official cars used by political leaders, providing insight into automotive design and history. The museum's modern layout and storytelling approach bring technology and history together in an accessible way. Riga Motor Museum is not just for car enthusiasts. It offers a broader look at innovation, design, and cultural history, making it a rewarding stop when exploring Latvia's capital. Number 2. Freedom Monument. The Freedom Monument is one of Latvia's most important national symbols, standing proudly in the center of Riga. Unveiled in 1935, the monument honors those who fought for Latvia's independence and represents the country's freedom, unity, and national identity. Rising 42 meters high, the monument is topped by a statue of a woman holding 3 stars, which symbolize Latvia's historical regions. At its base are sculptural reliefs depicting scenes of Latvian culture, struggle, and patriotism. The monument holds deep emotional significance for locals and serves as a gathering place during national celebrations and commemorations. An honor guard stands watch throughout the day, and the changing of the guard is a respectful and moving sight. Surrounded by parks and close to the Old Town, the Freedom Monument is both a historical landmark and a living symbol of Latvia's resilience and independence. Number 1. Riga Old Town. Riga Old Town, known as Vecrīga, is the historic heart of Latvia's capital and the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Its cobblestone streets, medieval buildings, and lively squares create a charming atmosphere that reflects centuries of history and culture. Walking through the Old Town reveals colorful merchant houses, Gothic churches, and landmarks such as Riga Cathedral, St. Peter's Church, and the House of the Blackheads. Each street feels like a step back in time, yet the area is filled with modern cafes, restaurants, and boutiques that add energy and life. The district is especially magical in the evening, when lantern-lit streets and open-air terraces create a warm, inviting mood. Street musicians and local events often add to the experience. Riga Old Town perfectly blends history with contemporary life, making it an essential place to explore for anyone wanting to understand the city's heritage, architecture, and vibrant spirit.